कर्नल शिवेंद्र प्रताप सिंह कंवर, नेशनल लेवल एथलीट से लेकर एलीट 7 पैरा स्पेशल फोर्सेस के कमांडर तक, उनका सफर है फुल ऑफ ग्रिट, गट्स एंड ग्लोरी। एक ऐसे ऑफिसर की कहानी जिन्होंने एक मिशन के दौरान 30 गोलियां खाकर भी हिम्मत नहीं हारी और मौत के सामने से गुजर के देश के लिए जीत कर वापस आए। ये सिर्फ एक इंटरव्यू नहीं, एक जज्बा है, डिसिप्लिन, रेजिलियंस और नेवर गिव अप एटीट्यूड का। कर्नल कंवर की कहानी सिर्फ बैटलफील्ड तक सीमित नहीं है। यह दर्द, जुनून और देशभक्ति का एक ऐसा संगम जो हर दिल को छू जाएगा। ये एक सैल्यूट है उन वीर जवानों को जो हर दिन हमारे देश के लिए सब कुछ दांव पे लगाते हैं। Or an ideology, because when I see about Kashmiris, I have seen some reels and shorts where people are asking, can you say Jai Hind? And I have seen a lot of Indian Kashmiris who are not even saying Jai Hind.
Yeah.
So when you have a population who has a problem in saying Jai Hind,
Yeah.
तो कहीं ना कहीं we have to realize that geographically you can claim it to be yours, but ideologically it is not India. We have to acknowledge it. There might be a small percentage that might say कि we are Indians and we feel safe and we are proud to be and Jai Hind.
Yeah.
But there's a majority that I think there's a lot of hypocrisy in Kashmir. मुझे तो ये जरूर लगता है because when it comes to tourism, they love Indians, but other than the tourism part, they don't want Indians to come. And now तो everything is empty. Now no tourist is going,
Yeah.
which is a good.
नहीं, the point which needs to be understood is that देखिए tacit support तो militants को है,
Right.
so एक बात आप ध्यान से सुनिए कि a normal guy, a normal Kashmiri or anyone, it can imagine if terrorism is there in state of Maharashtra.
Okay.
I will just give.
Yeah.
We are drawing corollaries.
Yeah.
यानी we are drawing comparisons. You must understand that जो terrorism और इंसर्जेंसी जो थ्राइव करती है वो लोकल सपोर्ट पे थ्राइव करती है
जी.
है ना, जैसे आप बता रहे। बट आई माइट वेरी इन द टर्म्स ऑफ द परसेंटेज इन्वॉल्व्ड, बिकॉज फॉर अ नॉर्मल ह्यूमन बीइंग हु इज अ डेली वेजर, जिसको अपना दिन का खाना चलाना है और जिसने काम करके मेहनत करके अपना घर चलाना है, that guy still does not support militancy whether he's in Kashmir or any part of the country, because उसकी रोजी रोटी उस पर डिपेंडेंट है। उसी का व्यू मैं आपको दूसरा ये दूंगा कि जो आर्मी के कैंप्स हैं कश्मीर में या फिर सिक्योरिटी फोर्सेस, सेंट्रल आर्म पुलिस फोर्सेस, इट इज श्योर दैट मिलिटेंट्स उधर आकर तो खाना खाते ही नहीं है, खाना तो लोकल्स ही दे रहे हैं, बट द परसेंटेज माइट बी लेस ऑफ व्हाट सपोर्ट इज बीइंग गिवन, बिकॉज in my opinion, if I come with a AK-56 loaded as a terrorist in your home and point it at your head and order you to give food, you will give.
Definitely I will.
Okay? The psyche needs to be understood where the things are. Okay. Because the rest of the India has seen that life where you have not been kept at the gunpoint and made to do your work.
Sure.
So you cannot compare those scenarios. Notwithstanding, there are still people who support terrorism.
Right.
Because उसके बिना आप thrive कर ही नहीं सकते. And this will continue for next 30 years also. That's why the first point which comes is, it has to be a political solution. Army will never move out of Jammu and Kashmir. It is a border state. Army always remains in Punjab, Rajasthan, and J&K, because the border lies with Pakistan
directly. Yeah.
And for that matter, even if you go to the line of actual control in the eastern part of the country, that is against Chinese.
Yeah.
So फौज जम्मू कश्मीर से कभी निकलेगी नहीं, because the line of control runs to it. Yes, depending upon situation and how the situation is developing and how much peace they have made, जो आपकी हिंटरलैंड वाली फोर्सेस हैं उसको आप थिन आउट कर सकते हो, एंड दैट इज आल्सो अ पॉलिटिकल डिसीजन. सो आई विल स्टिल से दैट whatever amount of blood might boil on either side of the line of control in rest of India and Kashmir, it is a political solution. You need to have politics, right? Center, state governments, local parties, they have to sit around. Army will continue to do its job. We are in the process of eliminating garbage. हम तो गंद निकाल ही रहे हैं.
Sir, गंदगी निकालना is one thing that you guys are actually good at.
Yeah.
But the point, my problem right now is the source. गंदगी का source क्या है? We might say कि it can be Pakistan, but that would be like being ignorant, because I think right now
No, it's not being ignorant. What I will say is, Pakistan is the source. So where do you,
No,
where are you getting the, yani ki weapons is
yeah.
weapons, trained infrastructure. Because earlier times it's different. Ki there were some training camps in some अनएक्सप्लोर्ड पार्ट्स ऑफ कश्मीर. वो बहुत प्री 95 की बात है. उसके बाद सारे ट्रेनिंग कैंप्स तो पाकिस्तान में ही है. बट व्हाट यू आर ट्राइंग टू से इज द आइडियोलॉजी.
Ideology.
Yeah. So that will remain. That will remain. You
but-
need to bring in more, maybe more prosperity, get them into the mainstream. But still, there will be population which
But
will
sir,
be
that
like,
will make them get attracted to the economic side of the country, and they always like that. Like when you talk about the people who have an ideology against us,
yeah,
they would always welcome the business and the economics of the country.
obviously.
But when it comes to the ideology, even जो आप बोल रहे हैं कि अपना घर चलाना भी यहीं से होता है, but this themselves still don't consider themselves as part of India. So my problem with the whole situation is war won't solve it, as you are saying.
No, it will
But
not solve
Pakistan
it.
is also not the problem. The problem is that whole ideology, because that ideology doesn't remain till the border. That
Yeah.
ideology runs through the POK and to the Kashmir also. So there's I started with that. Ki there's a lot of Indian citizens. Kashmir.
They should consider themselves part of India. That is your main thing.
Yeah.
Is yeah.
My problem with them is the ideology. Like I don't believe in regional what do you call it?
Regional
Differentiation.
differentiation. Yeah.
But I think there should be a nation theory to it. Like if there's an Indian Muslim, he should be an Indian Muslim. If there's a Pakistani Muslim, he should be a Pakistan. Like you should not serve the community. You should serve the nation you are.
Absolutely, that is
Born
that is
into.
true. Yeah.
And I think if we go through that theory कि हमें अपने देश को देखना है, चाहे वो हिंदू रहे मुसलमान रहे.
हाँ, वो कोई भी हो. यानी
I
religion should not come when it comes
Yeah.
to nationalism.
So
Yeah.
the only way I think there can be any kind of equilibrium is कहीं ना कहीं if that ideology part subdues, like ये ideology को कहीं ना कहीं मारना पड़ेगा, because even if there are local Kashmiris who are catering to the tourists and stuff, they still are not. They don't
Ideologies,
they don't feel as if they're part of
ideologies
India.
and all will take time to die down.
As in
Early generations change.
So the problem is the acceptance. Like these Indian Kashmiris don't even accept India. That's my situation with it. And where the ideology is, where the source could be Pakistan.
Okay.
But somewhere the people of the community or the people of the nation have to draw a line that where does the fight start? Does it start on the basis of religion, or does it start on the basis of borders? Because if it starts on the basis of religion, then nothing can ever be solved. At
No,
least
it cannot be solved.
it cannot be solved in a country.
Religion, like, I am not able to. I come from I will tell you a very great example. I come from an organization where I've served 20 years of my life. हमारा जो मंदिर है ना, जो फौज के अंदर मंदिर है, उसको सर्वधर्म स्थल कहते हैं.
Mhm.
उसमें हिंदू की भी मूर्ति है, उसमें मुसलमान की कुरान भी पड़ी है, उसमें सिखों का अपना जो गुरु ग्रंथ साहिब है वो भी है, एंड क्रिश्चियंस का भी है. इन अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग, बिकॉज यू हैव नॉट सीन लाइफ एंड डेथ, यू हैव नॉट बीन शॉट अपॉन in life.
Yeah.
You have not seen combat. That is why you are talking of ideologies and all. When the first bullet crosses your head and it fizzes past, the only thing you remember is to get that man down. And the man next to you can be of any religion. My buddy is a Sardar. He is better than my brothers. He is not a Hindu. So what should I do? I trust you or I trust that guy. Ideologies are like, you can keep on, we can have this discussion till the time cows come back home. You will not get ideologies. आप कैसे change करोगे? You cannot change my ideology that I am a nationalist first. I don't give, I am a practicing Hindu, but I consider myself to be a patriot. For me, my nation comes first.
Definitely.
Okay, what you are saying is that they are thinking that, we are thinking. You can keep on infuriating और आप इसको जितना मर्जी भड़काते रहो. But the point which I am trying to tell you is, anything and everything, it starts with your nation and ends with your nation. The day it comes into every citizen of India, you are the best nation in the world. You are dividing it into communities and everything. I am dividing it into a simple thing known as patriotism.
But that doesn't work in this country, no? Patriot, not everybody.
You don't work. Let it not work. There are people to do.
And the whole reason of this incident happening is because we can't expect everybody to be a patriot. And if that was the case,
Yeah,
then we
look,
won't, we might have trouble
tell me
around the
one
border.
thing. Tell me one thing. With America, it's all its might. Were they able to stop 9/11? Terrorism is part of your life. What I'm trying to say is, Burhan Wani, when he got killed in 2016, the whole valley erupted with stone pelting. And he might not be a guy who needs to be revered. Media creates people. Just say one unidentified terrorist killed. You create hype about things. You keep on. I have seen guys, I will tell you an incident. In 2006, we were in a counter-insurgency operation. हम एक काउंटर टेररिस्ट ऑपरेशन में थे. डिस्ट्रिक्ट कमांडर था. I will not name the individual because forces are involved in it. And that guy had a bounty of 10 lakhs on his head. टेररिस्ट था. ठीक है. जब उसको उस ऑपरेशन में मैं नहीं था, there was the special task force of the police and other security forces involved, but they told me because I happened to know the SP of that region. When that guy was killed, he had 20 rupees in his pocket. The district commander of the leading terrorist organization, and his shoes were torn. He had only 7 rounds left in his magazine, and media created a hype out of it that he's a A++. You create, just tell it's an unidentified terrorist. Who makes the heroics out of it? It is the media you are creating. I'm telling you, nationalism comes first. If I put a gun on your head, a rifle on your head, and tell you to say whatever I want to say, you will do it. Because you have not faced it.
Yeah, so basically whatever happened in the name of Hindu and Muslim, like 26 people got killed.
Yeah.
It's actually, there's no religious
There is-
angle to it.
There is.
You are
is-
saying there's
there is-
only national angle.
Arre, listen to me, bhai. I am not telling you the clear-cut thing about it. Terrorism is part of this society. Okay?
Sure.
It cannot happen with local support. मैंने आपको पहले भी बोला है. I am telling you right now. But if you say that military per se, and you will ask me कि it is one religion, in state of Jammu and Kashmir, it is one religion. Because majority of them
You're
are
getting me wrong. It's not one religion. It's the ideology I'm talking about.
ideologies
lot
we cannot change.
I think you have taken my statement into a Hindu Muslim thing. It's not.
अरे भाई मेरे को एक बात बताओ, मैं आपको सिंपल सी चीज समझाने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ कि जो मेरा बडी रहा है वो एक ऑपरेशन में सरदार रहा है, एक में कश्मीर का ही मुसलमान भी रहा है. He has protected me. So is that guy becomes bad?
You are taking me as ki I am blaming
Your
Muslims.
ideologies are a theory which is created by few percentage. Not everyone wants violence.
Like a lot of people are not saying Jai Hind. Let's take for an example. So what might be the reason?
I will give you a reason now.
Please tell me.
Have you been to PVR or in between they had started showing national anthem?
Yeah.
Majority of the people were Indians only who were Hindus or whatever religion, apart from being Kashmiri. Hall to udhar the hi nahi Kashmir mein.
Right.
People couldn't stand for 52 seconds straight. What is that? What will you say about that? Your national anthem is being played.
But sir, I haven't seen that. Wherever
You have not seen that. I'm telling you, I've seen that. And that's why they stopped the practice. Because people were not respecting the national
anthem.
Ideologies don't matter. For me, I am a nationalist. I am a patriot. I have served in a secular organization. For me, the guy who saved me matters, irrespective of his caste and religion. I can write it, I can stamp it on the paper, and I can tell it to anyone. I've told you about these attacks. There's a competent government and a competent armed forces. They are doing their job to the best of their ability. I have full faith in them because I've served there. Ideologies remain till the time your life is not at peril. You are not seeing the bullet every day. That is what I'm trying to bring out.
So what is the reason for terrorism? Why is terrorism happening? What is the source of terrorism? Why are people killing people? In your
Human beings have crimes immemorial. They have fought. आप मेरे को वर्ल्ड में एक जगह बताओ जहाँ पर लड़ाई नहीं होती है. Human beings are meant to fight. Whether you fight it on cause of religion or economic gains or anything, people are fighting.
Right.
It's economics. Human beings will fight. Whether on the name of terrorism, religion, anything, they will fight. If you can stop that. currently do it.
So basically, it won't stop. Like it can only
I
be
don't think so.
controlled.
It can be
It can
controlled.
controlled.
Yeah, it can,
Can be controlled.
It can be
But
controlled,
all the things
but
that
it
have
will not stop.
yeah, because of,
And it will stop. In state of J&K or UT of Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir, it will stop. It will definitely stop.
how do you see that, sir?
It's a political solution. I told you the very first point.
So it has to be like
It
it
doesn't
is-
have a military solution to it.
Yeah, definitely. And the first thing that needs to be solved is the political thing, you need to say.
Absolutely, people have to sit on table and talk. Army क्या करेगी? Army is a means to an end. I've told you.
Right.
You want to project your national power, you put army over there. Army क्या करेगी? Please write a letter to Prime Minister's office. They are people and they are competent government. They are doing it.
Sure.
Ideologies will keep on going.
So basically, आपकी बातों से तो ये सीखने मिल रहा है कि instead of focusing on people's ideology, we should more focus on the political and national side of it.
You must focus, if you want to bring an end to the thing, don't focus on military, or obviously military will do its job to assist the government at the center.
Right.
But these parties have to shift. It is a political solution. It
So
doesn't
basically,
have a-
there's no solution. So basically,
I
the show will
I
keep.
told you there is a solution.
Yeah.
There is a political solution.
There's a way, but that's what it's just.
This
seems
is what
to be
I
possible.
feel as an individual. I might be totally wrong.
I don't think हम लोग बहुत नियर फ्यूचर में इंडिया पाकिस्तान को एक टेबल पे बैठ के इन चीजों पे डिस्कस करते हुए
So be it.
जोग्राफिकली
Yeah, so be it that there are competent people. You and me boiling our blood over here doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. We've done our jobs. There is a competent. आपने government select की हुई है ना? You have voted for a government.
Yeah.
Then have trust in them. They will do the job. They are paid to do the job. They are a able government, so they will do the job. They will get it into the things into order. We and you can have these discussions. We can boil our bloods, but boil our blood. Sorry, but it will not happen. I don't think so. It has a military solution. You keep on killing, they keep on coming. Had it been a military solution to it, it started in 1989. How many years down the line you are there?
I
36. It will continue for next 20 years also.
I agree.
Yeah.
There can't be a military solution. Only
There cannot be a military can contain it.
contain it.
Like it is already contained. If you have seen the situation in 90s, it was very bad. Now tourism is there. People are going back. Things are thriving. Whatever economic development is happening. It means it is, but these incidents you cannot stop. It will keep on happening.